Solution to some of the questions on the community post. The question is, how many moles are present in 40 gram of helium? So number of moles of helium is equal to weight divided by atomic weight. Weight of helium question में given है, that is 40 divided by atomic weight. Atomic weight of helium हो गया 4. So 40 divided by 4, number of moles of helium हो गया 10 moles. So the answer is 10 moles. Find the molarity of 98% sulfuric acid solution at 35 degree centigrade with density equal to 1.84 gram per centimeter cube. अब 98% सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड मतलब हो गया 98 divided by 100. 98 is the weight of sulfuric acid and 100 is the weight of solution. So weight of sulfuric acid is 98 gram. So moles of sulfuric acid will be equal to weight of sulfuric acid, that is 98, divided by molecular weight of sulfuric acid, which is also 98. So 98 divided by 98, number of moles of sulfuric acid is 1 mole. Now weight of solution is 100 gram. So volume of solution will be equal to mass by density. So 100 divided by density will give the volume of solution, but this volume will be in centimeter cube. So volume of solution को convert कर देंगे liters में. So volume of solution in liters will be volume of solution in milliliters or centimeter cube divided by volume of solution in centimeter cube divided by 1000. So volume of solution in liters will be 100 divided by 1.84 into 1000. Now the formula for molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. So putting the value of number of moles, that is 1 mole, divided by volume of solution in liters is equal to 1.84 into 1000 divided by 100, which is equal to 18.4 m. So molarity of the solution is 18.4 m. The answer is 18.4 m. The correct order of increasing energy of atomic orbital is, set of orbitals given is 5p, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d. तो सबसे पहले इन ऑर्बिटल्स की n plus l वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. Now value of n for 5p is 5, value of l is 1. तो 5 plus 1 हो गया 6. Value of n for 6s is 6 and value of l is 0. So n plus l की वैल्यू हो गई 6. Value of n for 4f is 4 and value of l is 3. तो n plus l की वैल्यू हो गई 7. And for 5d, the value of n is 5 and value of l is 2. So value of n plus l is 5 plus 2, which is 7. Now जिन ऑर्बिटल्स की n plus l वैल्यू कम है उनकी एनर्जी भी कम है. So orbitals 5p and 6s will have lesser energy than 4f and 5d. But 5p and 6s both have same n plus l value, that is 6. तो इन दोनों में से कम एनर्जी किसकी होगी? Out of these two, the one having lower value of n will have lesser energy. तो lower value of n किसकी है? 5p की. So 5p has lesser energy than 6s. And then again 4f की n plus l value ज़्यादा है. So value of 4f, the value of energy for 4f will be greater than 6s. 5d की वैल्यू 5d की भी n plus l की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है तो उसकी भी एनर्जी ज़्यादा होगी. But 4f and 5d both have the same value of n plus l. So इन दोनों में से किसकी एनर्जी ज़्यादा होगी? The one having higher value of n will have the higher energy and the one having lower value of n will have the lower energy. So 4f के लिए n की वैल्यू है 4. So 4f has lower energy than 5d. So order of increasing energy हो गया 5p, 6s, 4f and 5d. So this is the correct answer.